For thyroid problem, people keep on taking medicine years after years. And when they stop the medicine for a few months, then after again when they check the blood, then they find the position is same where they have started. Then what way the medicine did good effect on them? When the thyroid abnormality comes, it has many other associated symptoms also, like puffiness of the face, we say moon face, abnormal weight gain, obesity in case of hypothyroidism, palpitation, irritability, catching cold easily, abnormal distribution of hair in the body. In case of a woman, the male type facial distribution of hair, the woman develops moustache and beard, etc. These are the indications of thyroid abnormality. Now, if you take the modern medicine for your thyroid problem, how many years of that you can take, but you never get an improvement in these associated symptoms. Why? Because the modern medicine is nothing but a supplementary medicine to the thyroid problem. It never addresses the root cause of the thyroid problem. So what is the root cause of it? The root cause is that we have a thyroid gland present in front of our neck, throat, frontal part, small gland, but its action is quite vast because it regulates almost all metabolism of our body. This thyroid gland, it secretes two hormones, T3 and T4. How it will secrete these two? For that it gets a stimulating hormone called thyroid stimulating hormone. The thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete T3 and T4. If the TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH is less, then in order to combat the deficiency, thyroid gland works more to synthesize more T3 and T4. So we find in our blood test report the TSH is low and T3, T4 is high. This condition is called hypothyroidism. In case of hypothyroidism, in modern medicine, they advise you the external supplementary thyroid medicine. So because the thyroid hormone is less, so you keep taking everyday thyroid supplements. Do you think the supplements can ever give you a complete cure? The deficiency is there, so you are supplementing. But can it give you a complete cure? Never. Because the cause of this abnormality is again somewhere else. Why the thyroid is abnormal? Why TSH has become abnormal? TSH is a hormone synthesized by another gland called pituitary gland that is present in our brain. From the brain, when the TSH is synthesized, this comes to the throat and it stimulates the thyroid gland. Now in the pituitary gland, why this abnormality has come? Why it has abnormally synthesized TSH? There is another cause above this, that is called hypothalamus, that is another part of the brain. The hypothalamus stimulates pituitary to synthesize TSH. If there is some disturbance in the hypothalamus, then automatically the pituitary will have the effect of that disturbance and will have abnormal synthesis of TSH. Subsequently, will have abnormal thyroid functioning. So there are 3 steps. Now how to correct this hypothalamus? If we can correct the hypothalamus, then automatically in the chain effect, the pituitary as well as the thyroid gland will become correct. The hypothalamus is also responsible for releasing the stress hormones. A person who has an abnormal stress response also liable to have abnormal stimulation of the pituitary by the hypothalamus. So what is that abnormal stress response? If we can address that abnormal stress response of the person, then the hypothalamus can be corrected, then the pituitary can be corrected, and the thyroid can be corrected. That is why homeopathy is very, very effective in addressing the thyroid problems, because when the hypothalamus is abnormal, it has certain external symptoms by which we can address the disturbance of the hypothalamus in homeopathy. Homeopathy offers good remedies for correcting this system as a whole. This is the first thing. Second thing is, if you take homeopathic medicine for thyroid abnormality, then you need not have to take it for lifetime. Number 3, if you are taking homeopathy for thyroid problems, then there will not be any side effect, because we are not supplementing the thyroid hormone. We are using the potentized, dynamized dilutions as homeopathic medicine, so it has no side effect. Number 4, the other symptoms of thyroid abnormality like obesity, abnormal distribution of hair, the moon face, the puffy face, the menstrual irregularities, these symptoms itself will show the improvement when you are under homeopathic treatment for thyroid problem. These are the 4 advantages of homeopathic treatment on thyroid abnormality.